Hello. That's Brady again.
As you see, this box is completely...
Oh, there's an ant. Let me get it off.
As you can see, this box is a mystery box.
We're doing an unboxing video. Just tell them.
Fine, we're doing an unboxing video that I bought on Amazon. Deal with it.
Okay.
Gavin doesn't know why.
Unbox it. Can I unbox it? Oh,
First,
this is dumb.
First, shake it up. Wiggle it around. Put it on your head.
I know what it is.
What is it?
You're just gonna say yes. Just open it. What
Oh.
is it, guys? Comment down
First-
below if you know what it is.
Well, this is a mystery box. It's already been open, but still.
You shouldn't have told him that. It's our little secret.
It's
Okay.
fancy to know. What is it?
Just open it.
I'm trying to be Ryan.
Oh, it's so much sun. Sorry for
Now.
the stupid sun.
We'll finally see what it is. Dun, dun, dun. Sorry, I don't know how to do sound effects yet.
You know we can add them. We don't have to add.
Okay, it is. Gavin, open it.
Glue
Glue stick. It's Amazon.
stick.
Not just any glue stick. It's Amazon glue stick.
Why Amazon?
Why do you guys have glue stick? Amazon glue stick. Buy it. It's cheap. Bye. And also, you can save time instead of going to Target because you waste time at Target because they don't have glue sticks. Okay, bye.
No, don't end it. I'm sorry, guys. I need to throw this at you.
Bye.